Hi, it's Amanda here, and I'm at the exhibition 10 Essentials for Living, curated by Margaret Herbert. So, we're going to go in and look at some of these principles, there's 10, and look at some of the work.
One of the first elements I wanted to include was spirituality and the divine. I think it's very important for us to refocus and consider how we invite it into our lives, how we live it. And I brought that in two of the laws where we respect other people's religions and the inner voice that we have that I believe to be divine. And I wanted to pay tribute to that. And I did that in a meditation space and in a piece that respected spirituality and divinity and our ancestors. Those were the works that I wanted to work with.
So, what inspired you initially to put together the exhibition?
I'm so inspired by ancient African spirituality. So much so that I was invited to do an African spirituality, an exhibition on African spirituality. It is becoming a very important part of my life as I look at the ancient traditions, the elements in it that I believe that we've moved away from and we need to move back to in order to be true to ourselves and to live the lives that we want to live. So that is so much a part of my life now that it's all I think about. It's everything I do relates to that. So all my work relates to it now. When I've moved away from, I was looking at agriculture and that kind of thing, but now and my desire to work in a more abstract way. The thing that has come to me has been spirituality and finding ways to express that. It's what I'm working on now, and that's everything in my work has been coming around to that.
So, what's next?
More
More
of the same. Yeah, because there's so many aspects that I wanna expand on, investigate, play with. That I know there's a lot more to come. There's a lot more to come.